Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. It's Friday, weekend coming. The market is not doing good. Fedex actually had a huge miss. They're lowering their 2023 forward guidance, and the CEO says that he sees a global recession coming. So it's just dragging the entire stock market down. And just not great news coming into Friday, especially after Tuesday's CPI numbers. Okay, I'm still on my very first vacation since COVID, but I just wanted to keep you guys informed. And it's not looking good for this weekend. So there's a lot of fear, just like I said it before. When you listen to these news media sources, which I do, I have to, when the market is going up, everybody's a bull. When the market is going down, everybody is a bear. And so now we have all of these bear talking guys that are on. So I just want to tell you guys to not get emotionally involved with the market. Don't trade off of emotions, okay? That's what I want to tell you guys today. And I'm going to tell you guys how I'm investing, all right, going forward. But first, if you are new to the page, go ahead and hit the like, subscribe, notification bell. My name is Larry Jones. We are the family known as Stock Up. I'm sorry I got this morning voice. I'm 5 hours behind here. So what I want to tell you that what I'm doing myself, remember, anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell, but I want you guys to realize the opportunities that are coming even as the market is dropping. For those of you that have been cashing up or are cashing up, it's actually looking better the more the market goes down. And let me explain that. We are ripping a Band-Aid off, and it's been slow, and we've been every hair prick. We can just feel every one, right? For those of you that are like me, we want the market to just rip the entire Band-Aid off, and get it over with. But it's just a slow pull on the Band-Aid. And that's what's happening to the market, right? Inflation is out of control. We know. We saw by the crazy CPI numbers. The Fed will not be doing a 50 basis point rate hike. I don't believe. It'll be shocking if he does. So on the 20th and the 21st, we have the FOMC meeting next week. Just remember, that will move the market, depending on what the Fed does. I personally believe he's going to do another 75, but let's see. I'm just speculating. It's going to be from 75 to 1% or 100 basis points. That's where we are right now because we had that high CPI reading on Tuesday, all right? So here's what I'm doing. You guys know I've been dollar cost averaging, and I'm using Webull to do that because you should have, for those of you that have Webull, you should have gotten an email in the last 24 to 48 hours talking about the reoccurring fractional shares. If you're following the $5 a day challenge, you leave me some coffee cups. But that's what I'm doing, and I am not stopping that. I'm not stopping that. Me personally, I'm not stopping that for the next 10 years. So take your 5 best stock. I suggest that they are at least 4 blue chip, and 1 you can, look at something like EVs or something you think is going to be big. But I would take a minimum of 4 a blue chip stock. And to be honest with you, because the market is heading down, I would be in 5 blue chip stock. These are just suggestions if you're following the $5 a day challenge. What we are doing, that's what we're doing with Webull. What we are doing with Moomoo, and on this one, I'm going to leave Moomoo the top link and Webull will be the second link. That's where we're simply cashing up. That's what we've been doing, okay? Give me some dollar bill signs if you've been cashing up. That's what we're doing with the Moomoo app. And they just got even more aggressive, now up to 15 free stock worth up to $30,000, links below. But this is what I'm doing moving forward. My $5 a day that I have started since the beginning of this year is going to turn into $10 a day. So now what that means is I'm investing more than $5 a day, right? So if you can only afford $5 a day, then I say look at your money, cut it up, and make it to where you can double down when the recession happens. Because remember, we buy fear and we sell greed. So when the market starts to truly, really tank, and I believe that that's going to be 2023, then we double down on our $5 a day. Follow? That's what I'm doing. And that's what we're doing in the Weeble, right? But with Moo, what I'm going to be doing is that's when I'm going to start heavier dip buying. I'm not dip buying right now. I haven't been dip buying pretty much all of this year, as you guys know. I've been cashing up. You know, at first cash was trash. Now cash is king. Everybody's fleeing to cash. That's why even gold is coming down. Gold is coming down because of supply and even the dollar. Remember, when the dollar is strong, gold is weak and vice versa. But I am buying a little gold right now because I believe that gold will be back stronger in 2023. So when do we buy gold? When it's red, okay? You buy whatever gold you want to buy. I have some gold that I'm buying. You guys know one of them is GORO, and I'm still holding my positions with that. Now, I'm telling you, don't load up right now because everything is coming down. Gold even is coming down. Energy is coming down. That's what happens. Even the recessionary stock actually comes down in a market like this at the hard drop. So I'm talking about the even stocks like Ulta, Walgreens, Walmart, consumer discretionary, those type of stock. Even those come down at the beginning of a recession, but they hold steady and actually start to rebound when the hard recession comes. So that's why we're not, not loading up on anything. We're just nibbling and we're $5 a day and we're DCAing right now. But when the hard recession comes, you better have some cash. And so that's what we're doing with Moo. We're cashing up and then we're going to buy. And I'm going to bring more guests on to work with you guys on what we're buying to the best of my ability, because we are simply taking a page out of Warren Buffett's book, right? When others are fearful, be greedy, and vice versa. So that's what we're going to do, and we're going to build generational wealth. All right, good people? That's what I want to get out to you today. I apologize for my voice. I am 5 hours behind Chicago time now. So I just want to appreciate you guys. I just wanted to stop in and touch bases with you as this market sell-off continues. Remember, pour your emotions out. If you only have one broker, then I suggest you have a minimum of 3 brokerages. That's what I suggest. So make sure you click my 2 links below. You're going to get free stuff for using my link. But if you, hey, Larry, I already got 3 links, that's fine. Just make sure that you have somewhere where you're cashing up, right? And I suggest that it's not in the portfolio that you see a lot of red, because you're going to go through a psychology. This is psychology, right? This is going to weigh on you psychologically when you keep going to your portfolio and you see a sea of red, right? So we want you to start seeing green. But we also know that the elevator is coming down, like I've been consistently saying that. And people have been asking about the Ethereum merge, right? It happened, right? And we know everything that's going on with the Ethereum merge. I did exactly what I said I was going to do when I was live with the guys. Buy the rumor, sell the news. So I sold it before the merge. And, you know, it looks like it's happening just like I thought it was going to happen. There's profit taking going on. And that's, you know, there's a lot of things that's going on. We're in a bear market that has a lot to weigh on it. It's not just what's happening with Ethereum. Look at the overall crypto market. So that's what's going on with that. It was to me, it was a classic case of buy the rumor, sell the news. That's why you guys didn't see me really covering that. I've been consistent on what I was going to do with that play, and I did just that. All right, good people, leave me a comment on what you did if you bought some Ethereum, or if you bought the rumor and sold the news. All right, good people, we're going to leave it right there. Make sure you don't fall for spam. Even on vacation, we have to stop and clean the spam. People are spamming on my other platforms. I never DM on Facebook. I never DM on Instagram. Want to make sure that you guys are protected, all right? Love you guys. Live, love, laugh, and learn. Make sure you click those links below, and then watch this video here.